Hayden's on the sled. He's a mummy, he can't move. What you doing, huh? What you doing? Da da da. Yes, yes, yes. He's funny. He's heavy, isn't he?
Yeah, I think it's more like the snow. Hi, boo-boy!
Hayden's on a sled.
He's like, what the hell are you doing?
Yeah. He's so cute. Hi, bud. What you think about all this, huh? What you think about all... There's a smile.
Woo, hey!
He can't move. He's like that commercial where the kids...
He's salty.
Oh, he's funny. Alright, I'm going to take some snaps.